Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AOL Mail on Android. Fast fix step by step clearly. To log into AOL Mail on your Android device, start by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the AOL app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the AOL app icon to open it. Once the app loads, you'll see the login screen. Enter your AOL email address in the designated field. Make sure to type the email address correctly to avoid errors. After entering your email, click on the Next button. The app will prompt you to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, checking for any typos. Once you've entered your password, tap the Sign In button. If you've enabled two-step verification, follow the prompts to verify your identity. The app may ask to remember your login details for easier access in the future. Choose whether to save your login information before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your AOL Mail inbox. Now, you can start checking your emails right away. If you encounter any login issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If necessary, utilize the Forgot Password option to reset your password. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Enjoy using AOL Mail on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.